In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book one-way ticket in Scoot Flight. Start by opening the Scoot website in your browser. On the booking panel, look for the trip type and switch it to one-way. This tells the system you only need a single outbound flight with no return segment to plan. Enter your origin and your destination. You can type the city or airport name, and suggestions will appear to help you pick the right one. Take a moment to double-check both locations to avoid common mix-ups between similarly named airports. Choose your departure date from the calendar. If your plans are flexible, glance at nearby dates to compare fares. When you've picked the best day, confirm the selection so your date is locked in. Set the number of passengers. Make sure adults, children, and infants are counted correctly, as fares and requirements can differ by age. If you have a promo code, enter it now so any eligible discount is applied before you search. Click Search to view available flights. You'll see options for your departure day with times and prices. Pick a flight that fits your schedule and budget, keeping an eye on total travel time, connection details if any, and the arrival time at your destination. Next, choose a fare by clicking Select Fare. Scoot typically offers different bundles with varying inclusions. Review what each fare covers, such as change flexibility, seat selection, and baggage allowance. Then select the one that makes sense for your needs. You'll be prompted to select seats and baggage. Choose your preferred seats if you want to sit together or secure extra legroom, and add checked baggage now if you'll need it. Buying baggage during booking is usually more economical than adding it at the airport. Click Select to continue. Now add passenger details. Enter each traveler's first and last name exactly as shown on their travel document, along with date of birth, nationality, and place of residence. Accuracy here is essential to avoid issues during check-in. Provide your contact information, including a valid email address, mobile number with the correct country code, and your postal code if requested. This is where Scoot will send your itinerary and any important updates, so make sure everything is correct. Proceed to the add-ons page. Here you can choose extras like in-flight meals, priority services, or insurance. Only add what you truly need to keep costs in check. Finally, review your entire booking, flight details, passengers, seats, baggage, add-ons, and the total price with any promo applied. When everything looks perfect, move to payment, agree to the fare conditions, and complete the purchase. Keep your booking reference and confirmation safe for easy access later.